Hi everyone, this is Gigi from Kauai Community College. I am going to talk about addition and subtraction of decimals today. All right, so let's get started. Suppose you have the numbers 13.75, that's 13.75 plus 28.39. If you think about these numbers and how it works in the place value system, you would say the numbers are 13, right, with 7/10 and 5/100. We are going to add 28, 3/10 and 9/100. So by the fact that we have to think about place value and we are in base 10, it is going to take 10 in each place value to move on to the next level, right? So what I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and write these as is place value. For example, I'm going to say 500 plus 900. I am going to think about it as 1400. Okay, and don't mind me, I'm going to write the number 14 here in small numbers here. Okay, just so that I can keep track of what I am doing. But you know what happened when you have 1400 right there. It is going to take 10 to move to the next place value. So I really have not 14 right there. I cannot write 2 digits right there. I have to write 4 and 10/100 will move to the next place value and become 1/10. Okay, so then now I will go ahead and add the 10th place. Making 10 is what we are doing because we are in base 10. So this will be 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 1 more is 11, right? But this 10 right here that we have is going to be 1 full unit, meaning 10/10 is 1 full unit. That's going to move up to the next place value, and I have the 1 right there. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do is to focus on the ones place. And again, we are going to make 10, right? So 8 right here, we'll need 2 more to make 10. That will go up to the next place value. So I will have 2 singles right here. And then here, 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. So we would say 13.75 plus 28.39 is 42.14. So the addition process works the same way, right? You are making tens in big tens, right? And you just have to pay attention to place value and keep them in correspondence to one another. Okay, now next, what's the difference here? The difference is that you have this one here, 1.38, and then the other one is 7.273. Well, as you notice that there is nothing here in this place value, so I will put a 0 right there, meaning 1.38 is 1 whole, 3/10, 800th, and 0 thousandths. Okay, now when we are adding, again, we are going to pay attention to place value, right? So here we go. What will that become? I have 0 thousandth plus 3 is 3. 8 will need 2 to make 10. So I have 5 singles, and one group of 10 will move up to the next place value. Then I have 6 right here. 1 plus 7 is 8. So 1.38 plus 7.273 is 8.653. Same addition process, right? Now let's look at subtraction. Suppose you have, say, 5.72 minus 1.95, right? What is it gonna be? Well, I know that 2 is not enough in the 100th place. So I have to regroup this 7 into 6 and 1/10, right? 7/10 is 6/10 and 1/10. 1/10 will move to the next place value to be 10/100. Take 5 away from 10/100. I have 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, let's repeat the process. I know now that 6 right here that I have is not enough to take 9 away from. So I'm going to regroup this 5 whole units into 4 and 1 whole unit. That 1 whole unit is 10/10. So take 9 away from 10/10. I will have 1 left. 1 plus 6 is 7. And then 4 minus 1 is 3. So then we would say 5.72 minus 1.95 is 3.77. Okay, so just remember when you regroup one whole from a previous place value, move on to the next, if there would be 10 of those, right? That's how it works in base 10. And that is it. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you in class.